Every nation has moments that define its destiny. For Bangladesh, one such moment was March 7, 1971, a speech that awakened a nation, a call that inspired millions to rise for freedom. On that historic day, standing before a sea of people in Dhaka, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman delivered words that would echo through history. This time, the struggle is for our freedom. This time, the struggle is for our independence. It was more than a speech. It was a strategic turning point in Bangladesh's journey toward independence. The struggle of 1971 was not only about territory or political control. It was about dignity. It was about justice. It was about the right of a people to determine their own future. More than 5 decades later, Bangladesh stands as an independent nation, vibrant, resilient, and full of potential. Yet history reminds us that independence is not a destination. It is an ongoing responsibility. The developments of 5th of August 2024 marked another important chapter in Bangladesh's evolving political journey. These events reopened national conversations about governance, democracy, and the future of the republic. At its heart lies a fundamental question: how should a nation honor the spirit of its founding ideals? The spirit of 1971 reminds us that governance must be rooted in accountability and public trust. Political authority does not merely flow from power, it flows from the consent and confidence of the people. Democracy is not simply a political structure. It is a living system built on participation, transparency, and the rule of law. When institutions remain strong and citizens remain engaged, democracy thrives. The liberation struggle succeeded because the nation stood united. Today, national unity remains essential. Beyond political divisions, Bangladesh's future depends on cooperation, mutual respect, and shared national purpose. The ideals that inspired 1971 remain the foundation of Bangladesh's future: freedom, justice, human dignity. These principles must guide governance, policy, and national development. Bangladesh's future depends on honoring the ideals that inspired the nation's birth. The spirit of March 7 reminds us that history is shaped not only by leaders, but by the collective courage of a people. The journey continues,